Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap San Mateo local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the leading San Mateo moving company with a substantial set of services to offer. From packing to unpacking, we do all things moving related. We are providing great customer service, which has led us as one of the top-notch moving companies in San Mateo. Our highly trained staffs can handle any challenges and will tailor a custom moving plan just for you. You can't wait for your cross-country road trip or flight abroad for your life-changing move. But you have no problem waiting as long as you can before you need to start packing. Our long-distance movers San Mateo experts will pack and move your things for you safely and efficiently. The protective packaging we use ensures your belongings will be secure for the big trip. Since you aren't moving too far away, you might have been lulled into a false sense of security and assumed moving would be quick and easy. Regrettably, you're in for a rude awakening. A simple move down the street can be just as difficult as a move across the world because all of your things still have to be packed and moved out. In just one day, San Mateo local moving companies will pack up everything and get it unpacked into your new space. When we say moving day, we really mean just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our San Mateo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.